Have you ever wondered if plants can communicate with each other? It's a thought-provoking question, isn't it? Well, the answer is yes, they do. Welcome to this journey into the fascinating world of plants. Plants are much more than static entities that simply produce oxygen and provide shade on a hot day. They are dynamic, living organisms that have evolved over millions of years to survive and thrive in a multitude of environments. You may ask, how do plants communicate? The answer lies in the complex and intricate world of plant signaling and behavior. When a plant is attacked by a pest, it releases volatile organic compounds into the air. These compounds are detected by neighboring plants, which then trigger their own defense mechanisms. This is one form of plant communication, a silent conversation, if you will. But the communication among plants extends far beyond defense mechanisms. They also communicate to facilitate growth and reproduction. Through the release of chemical signals into the soil, plants can influence the growth of their neighbors, either promoting it or inhibiting it, depending on their needs. Plants not only communicate with each other, but also with other organisms. For instance, plants attract pollinators through the release of specific fragrances and colors. They can even signal soil bacteria to help them access nutrients that are locked away in the soil. Now, let's delve into another intriguing truth about plants: their ability to respond to their environment. Plants may not have eyes, ears, or a nervous system, but they can sense their surroundings and respond accordingly. They can sense light and move towards it, a phenomenon known as phototropism. They can sense gravity and direct their roots downward, a process called gravitropism. Plants also possess the ability to remember and learn, a concept that might seem absurd at first. But consider this: a climbing vine remembers the path it took last year and follows the same route the next growing season. Some plants can even learn to ignore repeated false alarms of attack and save their energy for a real threat. In summary, plants are not passive entities. They communicate with each other and with other organisms. They respond to their environment, and they have the ability to remember and learn. The world of plants is a lot more complex and dynamic than we often give it credit for. So next time you pass by a plant, remember, it's not just a plant. It's a living, breathing, communicating organism that's actively engaging with its environment. The world of plants is a fascinating realm just waiting to be explored. Thank you for joining this enlightening journey into the truth about plants.